Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Hangout. Children, in my previous video I explained what is factors and how we can remove and write the factors of given numbers. So today we are going to solve problem 632 from chapter number 8, multiplies and factors. So before that, let's recall what is factors. The numbers which are exactly divides a given number are called the factors or the divisor of that number. Okay, the factors are the numbers which exactly divides by a given number. That is called a factors. Now let's solve problem set 32. Question is, write the factors of the given numbers. First one, number 8. Now children, we have to see the number 8 is divisible by which number? The first number is 1 because 1 is a common number. It divides with all the numbers. Okay, so before writing, let's write answer the factors of 8 are 1 because 1 is a common factor. Then now let's see whether 2 is a factor of 8 or no. So let's divide and see 8, 2. Now in 2 table 8 is going? Yes, it is going. That is 2 4s are 8 and we will get the remainder 0. So 8 is going in 2 table. Now let's see whether 8 is going in 3 table or no. If you all don't want to do the division sum here on the right side, you can say the tables also. That is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 9 is a bigger than 8. So in 3 table it is not going. Then let's see the 4 table. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Yes, in 4 table it is going. So we have to write here 4. Then in 6 table it is going. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. No, it is not going. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. In 7 table also it is not going. And in 8 table, 8 1s are 8. Yes, so we have to write here the number 8 itself. So we got the answer, that is factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Okay children. Second one, number is 5. So answer the factor of 5 are, we have to write 1 because 1 is a common factor. Then in 2 table it is going. 5 is going in 2 table. Let's divide and see. 2 and here 5. 5 is not going in 2 table. Yes, 2 2s are 4. So here 5 minus 4, 1. Okay, we got the remainder. That means it is 2 is not a factor of 5. Okay, then in 3 table it is going? No. In 4 table also it is not going. So we have to write the number 5 here as it is down. Okay, so the factors of 5 are 1 and 5 itself. Okay, third one, number is 14. Answer. The factors of 14 are, now here we have to write 1 because 1 is a common factor. Then in 2 table it is going. Let's check by division sum, that is 14 2s. In 2 table 14 is going. Yes, it is going, that is 2 7s are 14. Yes, so in 2 table it is going. So write here 2. Then in 3 table it is going. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. No, it is not going. Then in 4 table it is going. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. No, it is not going. Then in 5 table, it is not possible. In 6 table, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. No, it is not going. Then in 7 table it is going. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Yes, it is going in 7 table. So write here 7. And then in 14 table also it is going, that is 14 1s are 14. So we got the answer. The factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. Fourth one, the number 10 is given. Okay, so answer. The factors of 10 are, we have to write 1 because 1 is a common factor. Then number 10 goes in which table? It goes in 2 table. Children, in 3 table number 10 is going. Just check it. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. No, it is not going. Then in 4 table it is going. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. No, it is not going. Then in 5 table, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Yes, it is going in 5 table. Then in 6 table, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. No, it is not going. Not even in 7 table it will go. Even in the 8 table, 9, it will not go. So we have to write here the number 10, that is 10 1s are 10. So the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Fifth one, number 7 is given. So answer. The factors of 7 are 1, and in 2 table, 3 table it is not going. Even in the 4 table also it is not going. So we have to write here the number 7 itself. Okay. So the factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Sixth one, the number 22 is given. So answer. The factors of 22 are 1 because 1 is a common factor. Then 22 goes in 2 table. Let's check by a division sum. That is 22 2s are. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. Yes, it is going. So write here 2. Now let's check whether it is going in 3 table or no. 22 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24. But 24 is a big number. So we have to take a smaller number, that is 3 sevens are 21. So here 1, 2 minus 1, 1 and 2 minus 2, 0. We got here remainder. So 3 is not a factor of 22. Now let's check whether it is going in 4 table. No, it will not go. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In these numbers also, number 22 will not go. Okay, so let's check. So here the number 11 is remaining. Here we did the division sum, that is 11 twos are 22. So here we have to write 11 and write 22 here as it is down. Okay, so the factors of 22 are 1, 2, 11 and 22. Seventh one, number is 25. Answer: the factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. Eighth one, numbers are 32. So answer: the factors of 32 are 1. And in which number it is going? And in which number 32 number is going? And in which table the 32 number is going? The numbers are 1, then 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32 itself. Okay. Ninth one, the number 33 is given. So answer: the factors of 33 are 1, 3, 11 and 33. So children, I hope you must have understood problem set 32. So keep practicing and learning. Till then, thank you and goodbye.